Hey, welcome back. So we're on the third exercise for detailed drawings. This is inserting a BOM. BOM stands for Bill of Materials. It's just a list of all the materials and the parts that we have in our assembly. So for step one, go ahead and get started by creating a copy of this document right here. Notice after creating the document, you have your part studios, an assembly, and a drawing created already. For step two, we're opening up the Bill of Materials. So just go ahead and select this icon here, so BOM table. And notice our parts are listed out, and the locations are highlighted when we hover over a different item number. For step three, we're switching over to the drawing tab. So go ahead and click on drawing tab. For step four, we're inserting the BOM. So go ahead and click on this icon here. We want to make sure that this reads flattened and top to bottom. For step five, we're just placing the BOM on one of the borders of our drawing. So notice that this right icon pops up, and that's pretty much saying that we're locking in our BOM to that line right there. For step six, we're going to use a callout tool. So go ahead and select callout. At this point, let's make sure that this middle area here, we're going to delete whatever that reads. We're going to open up this drop-down menu and click on name. In this section here, we're opening up this drop-down menu. We're selecting quantity. But before we get out of this, make sure you type out an X to the left of where it reads table quantity. We want this right here to read underline and this to be tight fit. For step 7, we're going to select these 4 icons right here so we can have these callouts. So we're going to select this portion here, and this should read swing arm times 1. This is pretty much saying that we only have one swing arm. We're selecting this edge here, and notice we only have one plunger. We go here, we select any of these edges here of this face or any of these icon, and this reads cylinder times 1 because we only have one cylinder. However, if we check on the O-ring, we do read O-ring times 2 because we have 2 O-rings. Go ahead and hit the check mark. Step 8, we're going to edit one of our callouts. So go ahead and right click on swing arm and select edit. For step 9, we're going to go ahead and delete the name of the swing arm. We're opening up this drop down menu and we're selecting item number. And in this case, we're switching underline to circle with a 2 character value and hit the check mark. So notice instead of reading swing arm, it reads a number 4. This is item number 4, which is this icon here. For step 10, we're going to edit the 3 other callouts. So go ahead and right click on plunger, click edit, delete the word plunger, select item number, circle, and a value of 2, and hit the check mark. So notice this is now item number 3, which is a plunger. So let's do the same for these 2. So right click, edit, delete, select item number, circle, 2 characters, hit the check mark, edit the O-ring, delete the name. We're going to click on item number, circle, and then 2 characters, and hit the check mark. This is what we should have. It's a cleaner looking drawing. For step 11, we're adding a column that lists out the materials of each part. So let's go to our assembly, click add column, and we're selecting material. So if we hover over to the right, notice that the material of each part is listed out here. So we have stainless steel, nylon, and then other stainless steels. For step 12, we're just hitting the update icon. So let's go to the drawing. Let's hover up a little bit, select this icon here, and notice our materials list was added automatically. And now we're just going to resize this table so you can select any of these grip points to make the table bigger or smaller. Or we can even lock it in a different place. So I'm going to move this and lock it into the corner. And this is pretty much it. This is what we want. We're good to go. Thanks for watching and check out the other videos.